Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to attach a Roma table base to one of our compact laminate tabletops. Now the compact laminate is very thin tabletop, so you can't use screws on this. Therefore, it's got this German slot technology that we're going to use, and I'll show you how to attach that. Should you have been provided with any screws, please discard them, do not use them. If you screw through the tabletop, it will put holes in the top of your tabletop. You definitely don't want that. So just, if you do get any, discard the screws. These little square bolts are what you want. Take one and slide one into each of the slots provided. Okay, like so. And we're going to line those up with these outer holes. These are the holes that you want. Just like so. Now, we do recommend when you're attaching these to use a little bit of liquid nails. This one's Ultra Nails, but you can buy this stuff from Bunnings. Any high bond strength glue is recommended. Just gives it that added strength because the tabletop, as I said, is so thin. That will bond your bases permanently to the tabletops and you won't have any issues. Now, take these washers, one for each bolt, and then these small self-locking nuts, again one for each. Now you're going to need a number 10 spanner to tighten those up. And when you're tightening, if any of the liquid nails comes out the edge because you're pushing it flat, it may, just get a cloth and wipe up that just so that you don't have any drips. So once they're tightened, finally you have these little grey caps, just one for each nut, takes away any sharp edges. Okay, and that is how you attach a Roma table base to one of our compact laminate tabletops.